Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn a Python dictionary. So think of a real life dictionary. You look up a word, then you get its meaning. So in Python, a dictionary is like a magic locker. You put a key, you get a value. Let's look at a simple example. Student. So student has some attributes: name, age, favorite game. So we have each pair. The name has the value Alex, age has the value 13. So here name is the key. Alex is the value. So also same as the age is the key, favorite game is the key. So key must be unique. No two same keys. So values can be anything. Numbers, strings, lists, or even another dictionary. So now, you may ask, why should we learn dictionaries? So the real world is full of pairs. So for example, student ID. We give a student ID, we can get student information. We have username and also a password. So we find a product and it has a price. We have a player in a game. Then we have the score for the player. So it's full of pairs. Dictionaries are much better than lists when you need to label data. It will be super useful for games, school projects, and so on. So let's look at a simple player dictionary. If think of a player in a game, what does the player have? Name, level, health, weapon, coins, and so on. So let's create a player dictionary. This is the dictionary name. Then we have a pair of values. So first is key is the name. The value, whatever you can give. Let's say dragon 99. Then we use a comma. The next attribute is level. What's the value for level? 40. Okay. Next one is health value. 100. What about the weapon? What kind of weapon do you want to give a player? Diamond sword. What else? Coins. What's the value? 1000. So this is a dictionary for a player. How to use the dictionary? How about we want to print the player's name? Print player name. So we use the dictionary name, player, and a square bracket. Then the key value, name. Let's run the program. So we print the name. What about other values? What about the current level? What should be here? Level, right? What about coins? What should be here? The key is coins. Let's run the program. So we get the current level and the coins. So that's the end of the introduction to the dictionary. Thank you.